Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to redeem Spotify premium code. Here are some easy steps, so without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, turn on your Wi-Fi if it's working or not. After that, then simply open a web browser of your choice. I'm using a web browser called Brave because it's one of my favorite and it is the easiest and the most reliable web browser there is for me. Now simply you have to go to Spotify redeem, right? Spotify space redeem redeem. Simply search for it. At the first link you can see, you tap on that, and now simply log into your Spotify, and after that you will be redirected to a page like this, into a redeem code. Now what you have to do is enter the code from the back of the gift card. To reveal the code, we recommend you to use a coin or card. Gently scratch off the pin cover and you're good to go. But what you have to remember is, don't do it roughly because the pin code can be scratched and the number can also be removed. Type the redeem code in this first box in your interior premium code, and after that in the postal code type your postal code, and then in the I'm not a robot select that, and then you have to prove that you are not a robot. After doing all these, you will have to tap on the green button that is called continue. Simply tap on that and you will be good to go. There it is, you have successfully redeemed Spotify premium code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. If you have any questions and need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you work out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.